Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
Last video we made this East of Whedon sign for a local church. During the brief tour of the garden, I found that there were a lot of new people to gardening. The subject of small tags or signs in order to identify each plant came up. I thought it was a great little project, especially since I had some fencing left over from a garden project that would be perfect for laser engraving. I'm going to let Buck the Beaver take over the design process in this video. Hi everybody, Buck the Beaver here. I'm going to just show you real quick how I made the designs for the laser engraver on these little plant. So we need, of course, Inkscape is the one program that I used in order to do it. I made a simple square. I made a radii in, I believe, at least one direction. I don't know why I'm not seeing it there. Okay. So basically I made a radii. Then I went to fill and stroke, and I went to stroke style, and I went ahead and I believe I just increased that radius, and of course I set it to black. Oh, that is the non-stroke, that's the fill. I went ahead and made that black, and then I went ahead and put some writing inside of it in order to make this. So let's say eggplant. Okay. And I went ahead and did that. Oh, I don't know why. Okay, so I can go into this. I can go into the fonts. And I believe I used Craftsman. This is a personal font. They don't allow. Let me see if I can get that Craftsman back up. You gotta select it before doing that. And then you have to hit apply. And there we go. Eggplant. Okay, after I got those made, I can go ahead and open another document. Copy and paste each one to that document. Now I go to File, and I need to go to Document Properties, and I've got to go ahead and let's do this inches. Okay, once you get that square in the back lined up with that, you can go ahead and save it under a different name. So you can import it into laser engraving program that we have. Now I can open the file in K40 Whisper. Okay, that brings us into this. So then I can go ahead and position it. For my laser engraver, you would hit the initiate laser cut, and it will connect to your laser. And you'd go ahead and hit the roster engrave. Thank you, Buck, for your help. Now let's get on to laser engraving these. We have an affiliate link with Monport Laser, where you can get a discount on all of Monport's machines. Use the link below and use the promo code Timothy10 at checkout. This is actually a couple day project, only a few hours every stream, but you can check out the streams in our live stream videos. In a couple seconds here, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up quite a bit because there is quite a lot of signs being made for these plants. I ended up doing this entire project completely free because I used all scraps from a fencing project that I had, and I wanted to build a archive of little signs that I can make with the laser engraver at a moment's notice, just in case people would like to have it as a product. Please enjoy the video, and I will kind of butt out and maybe put some background music. And this ended up being the final product. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications on future videos.